Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, my son Matthew is going to be making me some breakfast. How sweet he is right before going to school. I just want to say that I am so blessed to have such a son who's so caring. He wants to make sure that I eat before going to school so early and has prepared for me some breakfast here early in the morning, knowing I'm going to have a stressful day. God bless him. Amen. Now, I'm just saying, I don't like my eggs scrambled this way, but I will eat them only because he made them. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a short period of time, I am just so happy and blessed to have you guys following my channel. Now, this video is also part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Hosting with me is Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Jean Home Decor and more. I think this came out absolutely great. It looks so delicious. Let's head on over to the reveal. So he did an amazing job. Doesn't that look delicious? So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed eating it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.